In this video, we're going to be talking about power rule for derivatives. This will be the general formula. X raised to the power of n is n multiplied by x raised to the power of n minus 1. Let's see some examples. X squared will be 2x. X cubed, the derivative of this will be 3x squared according to the formula. X raised to the power of 4 will be 4x raised to the power of 3. X raised to the power of 5 will be 5x raised to the power of 4. X raised to the power of 6 will be 6x raised to the power of 5. You can clearly or slightly see the pattern here based on the formula. Let's try more examples. Now, let's try 3x raised to the power of 2. Let this be x and 2 be the n. So, according to the formula, you will bring down 2, multiply this by the 3x raised to the power of 2 minus 1, which is 1. So, no need to put it. Multiplying these two together, you will get 6x. Let's try more examples. 3x cubed. Same as before. Multiply 3 by 3x. 3 minus 1 will be 2. Multiply these two together, you will get 9x. Let's try more. 7x squared. As usual, let 7x be the x according to the formula. So you will get 2 multiplied by 7 of x. And 2 minus 1 will be 1. So no need to put it. Multiplying these two together, you will get 14x. Derivative of 6x squared will be 12x. Derivative of 6x raised to the power of 3 will be 18x squared. Derivative of 6x raised to the power of 4 will be 24x raised to the power of 3. Now, let's solve this step by step so that you will know how I got into it. 6x raised to the power of 5. According to the formula, I will bring down 5 multiplied by 6x, and 5 minus 1 will be 4. Multiplying these two together, you will get 30x raised to the power of 4. Now, let's try this example. Y equals 5x squared plus 6x plus 10. Y prime will be the derivative of y. Now, the derivative of 5x squared based on the power rule will be 10x plus the derivative of 6 of x will be simply 6. Now, the explanation for this will be 6x. If there is no exponent given here, it will be automatically 1. Now, if you use the power rule of this, you will get 1 multiplied by 6x. Now, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So, x raised to the power of 0 will be 0. So, you will simply get 6. And that will be the answer. And for the derivative of 10, the derivative of any constant such as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., as long as it is a number, it will always be 0. So, it will be 0. Now, the final answer will be 10x plus 6. Let's try this. Y equals 4x cubed plus 6x squared plus 7x plus 2. Y prime would be 4x cubed is 12x squared plus 6x, derivative of 6x squared will be 12x minus 7, and derivative of any constant will be 0. So the final answer will be 12x squared plus 12x minus 7. let's try to solve this step by step so that you will know the process. No? Derivative of 8x cubed. You will bring down 3, multiply this by 8x raised to the power of 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus 2x squared. Bring down 2 and multiply it by 2x, and 2 minus 1 will be 1, no need to put it, plus 0 because it is only a constant. Now simplifying this, 3 multiplied by 8x squared will be 24x squared plus 4x. Now, try to solve this by yourself. Now, the derivative of y of this, it is actually simple as long as you follow it step by step and solving this problem one by one. Let's start with 6x raised to the power of 6. The derivative of this will be 36x raised to the power of 5, because multiply 6 times 6, you will get 36, and 6 minus 1 will be 5, plus 5x raised to the power of 5 will be 25x raised to the power of 4, minus derivative of 4x raised to the power of 4 will be 16x cubed, plus derivative of 3x raised to the power of 3 will be 9x squared, plus derivative of 2x squared will be 4x, plus derivative of x will simply be 1. Because in this, if there is an isolated x, it will automatically be like 1x. So, if you use the power rule on that, 1x, 1 minus 1 will be 0. So, it will cancel. So, it will only be 1.